The ponies were just going for a ride in their car. Oh, Audrina, what do you think of this fancy airport? Oh, yeah. Let's go. There's no check-in. This airport is all to ourselves. Even comes with an airplane. That the airplane... that does go. This whole airport. Yay, Logan. We saved the day. Let's go. Breaking news. A wildfire has been seriously injured in a house. So please beware that if you're in LA, Los Angeles, be prepared. Another wildfire in Los Angeles. Las Pegasus. So we better not stop looking. Las Pegasus is in danger. Las Pegasus is in danger. So I'll make a video. Breaking news. LA is in trouble. LA is in trouble. Las Pegasus is in trouble. And we need help finding the LA wildfires that are spreading from here to there, causing a wildfire. See you again, ponies. Well, my plan didn't work. My plan is gonna work. Good morning, every pony. These wildfires are getting ready to express on Las Pegasus. Logan, fine. Can we just end this already? Audrina, are you giving me the... Audrina fainted. Well, this is the end of our story. I gotta take care of Audrina because she fainted. And please don't forget